We are living in a time of profound change, and many of us are asking the deeper questions about what we are contributing to this world. For thousands of years, ancient wisdom traditions have taught us that life moves according to universal principles. And these principles they're not spiritual, distant concepts, but they are alive within us in our thoughts, in our relationships, our choices, in the season, and in the energy we carry into the world. This Sunday, we will explore the 7 universal laws of conscious living. These concepts do not ask us to become someone new, but they do invite us to awaken, to live with greater awareness, to remember the wisdom that has always lived within us. Join me, Kate Cavanaugh, for this Sunday's talk. I look forward to seeing you then. Blessings.